Chaz here for Direct RC. The question I have for you today is, what's better than a 4x4? If you answered a 6x6, that's exactly right. So if that is the answer for that question, what's better than a 6x6? An 8x8 is the answer to that question. And what's even better than an 8x8? An 8x8 with active all-wheel steering. Today, we are checking out the brand new TERRANAUT from Hobby Plus, the 8x8 18 scale RTR with active all-wheel steering. Let's check this thing out. In the box, naturally, you get an instruction manual, a USB charger, a wheel wrench, and some spare parts in there, so that's nice. Some really nice styrofoam packaging inside the box with a 6-channel Fly Sky transmitter. You've got your dip switches up here that handle front reverse, battery type, drag brake, and then your throttle and steering reverse buttons over here. Steering dual rate, steering trim, throttle dual rate, throttle trim, your on-off switch right here on the back, channel 6 right here, channel 5 right here. This is going to be for the rear steer. Channel 4, channel 3, and then of course your trigger and your steering wheel. Nice plastic steering wheel on there. And it looks like it takes 4 AA batteries. You can also plug in a battery pack if you'd rather go that way. And lastly, but certainly not least, the beast, the TERRANAUT 8x8 with active all-wheel steering. It is certainly a beast. It's got the classic Hobby Plus tires, really nice rubber compound with a lot of give. A nice firm foam inside, but not too firm. You get some good squish factor there. You get 2 full-size spare tires and wheels up here on the bed with a working 5th wheel tow hook. So that's pretty awesome as well. And then you've got your working winch right here on the back. You've got lights in the rear, lights in the front. You can hook up tow hooks on the front bumper. And then underneath, we have a true 4-link setup on all 4 axles. Additionally, you've got 4 steering servos because it's an active 8-wheel all-wheel drive steer. So if you're looking for a tight steering radius, this is going to be able to deliver. And on top of all of that, you've got the metal chassis rails that we've all come accustomed to seeing from Hobby Plus, as well as the big bore oil shocks that come standard on all their vehicles that are just so smooth. And then to get the cab open, there is a button right here. You push in and the cab tilts forward. There's your battery, there's all your electronics down here, and you've got your waterproof on-off switch right here on the side. Now let's get this thing outside on the trail and see how it performs. Let's go ahead and get a speed test with the low modulation here in first gear. There's your low speed control. Hold it nice and steady. That is a really nice speed. And then if we go ahead and give it some juice, here is full speed in low, nice walking speed. And let's go ahead and shift into high gear on the transmitter and see what kind of pace we get in high. Some nice pep there. So what do you do if you roll up to a vehicle in need? Well, you just pull right up alongside, use your steering, and back it right on up to where you need to be. Release the winch. Hook it to the frame, and then start to reel it back in. Just like that. And now you are all set and good to go. And if it's not in good working order, just put it on the bed. You don't even need a trailer. And that is how you help other rigs in need. So that's the TERRANAUT. A couple more things worth noting. It has a metal gear drivetrain. It has a 4 servo on axle setup, and within those servos, they also have metal gears. It's got a big 280 size brush motor and 1100 milliamp battery to push that motor for all the runtime you could ask for out of an RTR. And it also has those splash-proof, water-resistant electronics that we've all come to know and love from Hobby Plus. And the last thing that's going to be on everybody's mind, this thing clocks in at $269.99. That is an incredible deal for the value you get on this thing. So that's the TERRANAUT. Drop a comment down below. Is this what you had in mind might be coming to the market? Are you interested in getting one? What else would you like to see for this thing? Drop a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.